front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on any photo that you wish to add. If you can't find your photos over here, you can always click on Folders and tap on the chosen one here. Then to add any other one, go into Folders again and tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!